start to the day. But I got to say, any day where we have sunshine, it makes such a difference.
I agree. Although
right?
the first time you walked out the door today, Eric, and felt that wind, it was like, this is winter.
It was a little brisk out there this morning. No question about that. You know, Boston hit 19 degrees. That was the coldest morning in Boston since Thanksgiving. We've gone all the way since Thanksgiving with a night that chilly, which is to say it's been a pretty quiet winter so far. 31 the high temperature in the city, which is a little bit cooler than average for this time of the year. But the month is still running well above the norm, a string of much warmer than average days. Not a whole lot of snow or ice to be found across southern New England. I do think that's going to change as we head a little bit deeper into the month, as it often does. So temperatures right now in the 20s, definitely chilly out there. There's milder conditions just off to our south and west, and some of that milder air will be punching in for the next couple of days. The leading edge of it will be a chance for some snow and some rain. Right now, you see that rain pushing up into Michigan. The colder side starts as a bit of snowfall, which will be what's moving into here late tonight. That first band, which right now is making its way through the Mohawk Valley into New York, I think most of that is going to dry up. Might see a couple flurries with it. The main push of some light snowfall arrives later on tonight, well after midnight, and our coldest temperatures are over the next couple of hours before the clouds thicken up and the wind starts to turn more southerly. So tomorrow morning, between about 4 and 9 a.m., this will be the time to watch for some light snow and freezing drizzle potential. Coldest temperatures will be basically on a line from Cape Ann, Boston, and Providence, north and west. This is where we would have some slick spots likely to occur. Then as we head deeper into the day, we'll see things change over to scattered rain showers, still a lot of clouds, and temperatures climbing up into the 40s, eastern Massachusetts, southeastern Mass, Rhode Island, likely staying in the 30s across New Hampshire. Still some scattered rain showers tomorrow night, but we're above the freezing mark. And then on Wednesday morning, as things start to wrap up, we'll change over to some snow showers and a few more icy spots to start the day. So really the main impact is not a story of accumulation. It's not shoveling. It's not really plowing. It's watching out for icy areas on untreated surfaces tomorrow morning and again on Wednesday morning. Other than that, it's more nuisance variety stuff. Coatings to as much as an inch, but I think most will avoid reaching 1 inch here. In that white shading, 1 to 3 northern parts of Worcester County up into New Hampshire. This is combined, by the way, through Wednesday morning. Our highest totals will be found across the northern Berkshires, the greens, and into the whites, especially the greens. If you're thinking about skiing, I think some areas, the west-facing slopes, could see up to a foot through Thursday with that upslope flow. So that is going to be the ideal spot for snow lovers and for skiers. High temperatures on Wednesday, even as that storm departs, well into the 40s. But the wind is going to start to pick up, and that's going to start to bring about some significant change. So we head into Thursday. It's blustery. The colder air is pouring in. We wake up on Thursday, wind chill values in the teens and single digits. And then we really bottom out as we head into Friday. Temperatures there just barely into the 20s. It'll still be breezy outside. So that is our coldest day again since Thanksgiving in the area. And Saturday will be in the 20s as well. So now we're getting into that January feel. Then as we head towards Sunday, we're watching some storminess develop off to our south. Watching the trends this week, nothing set in stone yet for Sunday. It will definitely be cold. Right now, I'd favor kind of a weaker impact or out to sea type of track, but things can change over a few days. So we'll be watching it and talking about it all this week. There's your full 7-day, taking that colder turn Thursday into Friday, and January will take effect. David and Lisa, back to you.
All right.